I just met this guy, and he started talking about how he fixed a beer sign with microwave parts. So the next day, I had to check out the Motion Beer Sign collection of Rick Costro. Now, let's go beer collecting.
So my name's Rick Costro. I started collecting about 9 years ago, 8-9 years ago. How I started is I found out I was adopted. So long story short, I was adopted, found my brother that I didn't know. And so I went to meet him about 9 years ago and found out they owned a bar. My dad, my biological dad, and his wife owned a bar, The Fountain in Oshkosh. And they had closed that down, and my brother Mike had a whole bunch of signs in his basement. He's like, you're a tinker, why don't you see if you can get them going? So he brought over about 23 beer signs, and I got them going. A lot of them I got going, some of them I didn't, but for the most part got them going. And then this happened. I got interested and hooked, like I'm sure a lot of people are. I love it. One of the things that I really love to do is buy an old broken sign and then bring it back. So this slit sign happens to be the motor. I bought it. It was aesthetically nice, but the motor didn't work, and it was just wore out. So the standard motor runs 5 to 6 RPMs per minute. So searching the internet, they don't make a repop, they don't make any motors. So what rotates 5 to 6 minutes, or RPMs per minute? It is actually, if you go to your microwave and your platter on the inside, that is a 5 to 6 RPM motor. So I bought one off the internet, a new motor, and I put it inside the sign, and it's been running for 4 years now. Those types of things are the fun parts and challenges of trying to fix some of these beer signs.
Wow, 2 special export spinning globes. Freaking cool.
You got one in your collection, Ken?
No, not yet.
Why don't we take one down and take one and put it in your collection? I got 2 of them. What do I need 2 of them for?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. I appreciate what you're doing. Nothing. Don't worry about it.
What do you mean nothing?
Look what you're doing. You're going to put this on the internet. I'm excited. I can show my friends. The 2 friends that I have, I can show them now.
That's not necessary, but...
No. Yeah, I got 2. Let's do it.
Well, thank you so much.
All right, appreciate it. Appreciate what you're doing, and really enjoy your channel. So Schlitz offered the lady in 2 versions, one with a clear globe that didn't spin, or a lampshade. And I bought her as a lampshade. The lampshade was broken, so then I took the Schlitz sign, the rotating sign, as you see, and I added it here.